Hello everyone, I welcome you all to CADD Nest. The video is regarding the tip for teachers. And I am Pavitra, I welcome you all back. And guess, so here today what is the tip for the day? Are you all wondering? Don't worry, we will be into that very soon. Assume in your workplace they have assigned you to create a Word document which is huge in size. And you will be bored to type huge files. I know that. For that problem, I have a solutions for you. So without delay, I'll get into the Google Chrome and show you how to create a huge file with a simple trick. You have to get into the Google Chrome. Then you have to go for Google Docs. And I hope you people have used a Google form. Just like that we have Google Docs. So you have to get into this link to access the Google Docs. And over here we can create Word documents. We can use Excel spreadsheets, slides and also Google Forms. And for today's topic I'll show you how to create a Word document. That is, without typing too much, you have to finish your work faster. So go to Google Docs. And it takes some time and you have to select a blank document. In the blank document, just like how you used to type in your MS Word, you can just go for typing here also. But guess what? I'll reduce your stress again. So here we have a tools. In the tools, I can just go for voice type. So instead of typing everything, I can just enable my Google to do all my work. So click to speak and you are good to go. So whatever you are going to dictate to the Google mic, it will going to type in your document. If your pronunciation is correct and whatever you are telling is clear and audible to the mic, it will keep on typing that into your Word document. And it's just easy. Once you are done typing everything, you can alter this by transferring the file into your Word document. I hope this step helped you out. Thank you. For more of the updates, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Bye. See you again.